Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix DirecTV box stuck on receiver self-check, reset, signal fix and restore service. To fix a DirecTV box stuck in a receiver self-check loop, you must break the automated boot sequence that occurs when the box fails to verify its own hardware or satellite connection. While a standard self-check is a routine part of the startup sequence, getting indefinitely frozen on the screen indicates a system lockup, faulty data cabling, or a failing internal hard drive. Fix 1. Initiate a hard power cycle. Physically pull the power cord out from the back of the DirecTV box or directly from the wall outlet. Then leave the device entirely unpowered for a full 3 to 5 minutes. This completely discharges internal capacitor. After that, plug the power cord firmly back in and let the box attempt boot sequence. Fix 2. Perform a hard reset via the red button. Locate the small red reset button on newer Genie models. It is found on the side on older or larger boxes. It sits behind an access panel door on the front right. Now press and hold the red button for 30 seconds continuously and then release it. Now allow the box up to 5 to 10 minutes to run its software checks and restore live TV. Fix 3. Clear cable and signal bottlenecks. Coaxial check. Trace the thick coaxial satellite cable screwed into the back of your receiver and ensure it is turned tightly until finger tight. Loose coaxial connections cause roughly 90% of signal interruption failures. Bypass splitters. If your cable feeds into multi-port splitter before hitting the wall, temporarily disconnect it and run the coaxial cable directly from the wall plate to your receiver to isolate potential hardware failure. Fix 4. Bypass via diagnostics mode. While the screen displays running receiver self-check, point your remote at the box and immediately press and hold the down arrow button. Hold it until the screen switches over to read entering diagnostics mode. Then run the guided test from the system menu to isolate whether the storage drive or internal tuner card has failed. 6. 5. Re-terminate and install a fresh signal pin. Use wire cutters to snip the coaxial cable about 2 inches below the old metal connector to remove the malfunctioning pin entirely. Then strip away half inch of the outer plastic jacket, peel back the silver wire mesh shielding, and strip away 1/4 inch of the white internal insulation to reveal the center copper wire. Now ensure the copper wire is perfectly straight and that no stray silver mesh wires are touching it. A single tiny strand touching the center pin will short out the system and freeze the receiver. Then push a fresh RG6F connector onto the cable until the white insulation sets flush against the inner rim. The copper pin should protrude exactly 1/8 inch past the edge of the metal connector. Crimp or twist it tightly. Then screw the new connector firmly into the satellite input on the back of your DirecTV box. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.